We guide you through how to recover a Roblox account without an email or password, even if you've completely lost access. First thing you need to do is open a browser and go to the Roblox support page, then select account hack or can't log in as the issue type. Enter your Roblox username and provide as much information as possible, such as the device you use, approximate account creation date, reviews, passwords, or any purchase details like Robux transaction. If you don't have an email link, choose the option that says no longer have access to your email and submit the request. Roblox support will review your information to verify ownership, which may take a few days. And once verified, they'll help reset your login details and restore the access to your account. Providing accurate details greatly increases your chances of successful recovery in 2025. So that's it.